Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hoop Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be talking about support.com or SPRT, giving you guys another update on the most shorted stock on the entire stock market. Now, as I speak to you guys, this stock is up 18.47% on the day, and it is just continuing to climb, breaking out of its cup and handle pattern that it's been forming for months. I've been talking about support.com since it was around $4.30 per share just a few months ago, and I have been making more updates on this stock as time has progressed, and now it is one of the biggest short squeeze candidates in the entire stock market, and we're going to be going over all of these different data points and figures just for you guys today. And all I ask for you guys in return is a like on the video, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so here we are taking a look at the support.com chart. You guys can see that it's at $10.43 per share. Now, on the past week, it's up 38%. On the past month, 44%. 3 months, 312%. This is absolutely ridiculous. In the past year, it's up 457%. So if you guys have been holding on to this one for a while, pat yourselves on the back because this was absolutely an outstanding trade. Diving right into the short interest data for you guys can see that we're currently sitting at an estimated short interest percentage of free float of about 69.420%. Now that was a joke, 69.420, but you guys see this insane figure, and yeah, it's absolutely insane. And then we see this cost to borrow at 191%, and that's just putting insane pressure on these shorts. Now, we talked about this in the past two videos I've done for support.com. We're taking a look at the utilization and the average age on loan. They are some very correlated numbers, and once this plateaus at around 100%, which it has been doing in the past few weeks, and it starts dipping down, what you guys have seen is it's gone from about 100% utilization down to about 95%, as well as the average age on loan going down from about 54 days on loan to about 51 and a half days on loan. So as these figures continue to go down, that is proof of a continuation of this short squeeze. So we want to see both utilization and average days on loan drop, and as we see those figures drop, we know that this stock is undergoing a little bit of a short squeeze. Another very interesting figure that we have to look at is the current amount of shares on loan is 5.65 million shares. Now, if we look at the short interest, the estimated short interest is 6.46 million shares. So why is there more shares shorted than shares on loan? Are they being loaned out twice? Is there naked shorting? We don't know. Lots of manipulation here on Wall Street and in the stock market. Lots of things going on in dark pools that we're just not really told about because it's not public information, and we're just gonna have to come to our own conclusions with this stock being up about 18% on the day. As you guys can see right here, now we're back at 19%. I think this stock is definitely seeing a bit of a short squeeze on the day. Now, just taking a look at the July 24th Ortex signal for support.com, you can see that there is 21 days left on this signal. So if you're holding this, you're going to want to hold it throughout the next month, or if you don't want to get greedy, just take some profits now. It never hurts to take profits, especially if you got in at a very low price. Analyzing some of the options activity, you guys can see on September 17th, $5.48 million worth of bullish call options are expiring, and $4.1 million worth of bearish call options are expiring. Not too many on the 10/15 expiration date, but in December, it becomes more bullish call options that are expiring in December as well. Now, this stock is not too popular on our live feed discussion from Reddit. It's the fourth talked about stock on r/penny stock. If you do look at all of Reddit, it is very far down on the bottom. As you you guys can see, I'm just continuing to scroll. So it is definitely not the most popular stock on social media, but it clearly doesn't need that. Moving over here to Fintel.io, we can see that as of 9 hours ago, there was 0 shares available to be short. So this could be another catalyst for this short squeeze. If we go down here, we can see some of the short volume, which has been absolutely insane. As you guys can see, the short volume ratio has been over 50% of total volume. So this is another indicator of high shorting, and also perhaps some naked shorting on this stock. Another very important figure to consider here is the failure to deliver. So when there is a failure to deliver, the share has to be delivered within 30 days, or else you have to pay a very large fine. So there was tons of failure to delivers throughout July. As you guys can see, this spike right here towards the end, the last reported failure to deliver. So there has been some covering because of those failure to delivers, and we should see some more covering throughout the end of August. As you guys can see here on July 30th, we had 885,000 failure to delivers. And guys, with the price action that we've seen on support.com, I am almost 100% positive that some similar failure to deliver numbers have been going on throughout July, and that could also be a cause of some of the squeeze or some of the price action, the positive price action that we have seen so far this month. And then we have here Will Mead on Twitter. He continues to talk about support.com, and he has the price target of $15 per share. So I believe that we're sitting right around $10.36 per share. That means that there is definitely a 50% upside if you do consider his price target, and we do get a large short squeeze from this stock. So he tweets about this stock almost every single day, and one thing that he has repeatedly called out is the bullish cup and handle that has been forming here on support.com stock. We can get a better idea of this bullish cup and handle. As you guys can see, this thing jumped all the way in March from about $2.25 per share all the way up to about $10 per share. So that was the long-term resistance point that we have met 3 separate times. And as you guys can see, right here is the cup and right here is the handle. Now we had a brief breakout, if we zoom in right here on this candlestick, to $10.88 per share, but it sold off throughout the day. Now today we've also seen a large increase in price from about $8.90 per share to $10.44 per share, which we're sitting at now. And if support closes above this horizontal line that I have placed on this chart right here, that confirms that we have broken out of the bullish cup and handle pattern. Another thing that I constantly do when analyzing short squeeze target stocks is this box technique, which shows the price action where shorts could have actually made money on this stock. And as you guys can see, there's almost been 0 price action besides for the tip of a wick of a candlestick where a short could have possibly made maybe a 1% gain on this stock. So nearly 100% of shorts are down on this stock currently if they're holding their short positions. A technical risk that is involved with owning this stock is the RSI is completely overshot at about 83, and the MACD has been climbing to highs at about 1. So if you believe in technical analysis, although in the case of this it could mean something, it could mean nothing, that would signal a reversal, at least a temporary reversal, and it would make sense as we are up about 19.4% on the day. Some people might want to take some profits. That's about it for the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Support.com is going absolutely crazy today. And if you guys enjoyed the video, I kindly ask that you leave me that thumbs up on the video. It's the #1 thing you guys can do to support me here on this channel. You can also subscribe down below and hit that bell. And if you want some free stock, public.com is giving up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing as little as $1. It's very similar to Robinhood in terms of its user interface and ease of use, but they don't do any payment for order flow. So if you're going to invest on that platform, they're going to give you the best execution, and they're not going to be routing your orders to Citadel or whoever pays the most money. So I definitely recommend switching over to Public if you're on Robinhood right now, and claim that free stock while you're at it. Anyways, guys, that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Peace.